There back my little privet that I've been growing from a cutting for the last few years in this little pot. At the end of the last video I was saying it needed a trim, and I'd agree, but of course that didn't happen. And as you'll see, that branch at the top just started to go for it. You can see in August it was going crazy, and as the season went on it just became comical. I don't even think at the time I realised how ridiculous it had gotten. Can't really see anything here in October, so just ignore that, but it had stopped growing by this point. Here's a close-up in November, but don't worry, you get to see its full glory now. Look how long this is, it's unreal. And weirdly only that one branch just went for it, but I guess that's a good thing. In December it went out to the shed, and then I seemed to have a bit of a disaster. I brought it inside in February, but I don't have the footage of the branch being removed. I have no idea why, but we're joining the action here halfway through, as I just prune the rest of it to get it ready for spring. I actually took it back quite hard, and you can see the big scar where the super long branch was removed. A few weeks later and the buds had swollen, and they're ready to open, so it's a perfect time to repot. There is some great moss on this, it just grew by itself. I just loosened up some of the topsoil to help get it free. Then I managed to get it out, and as you can see it's a total block of roots. So I raked it all out. This is what I was left with. These roots are doing really well, they're really healthy. And you know, obviously I then cut them all off. So now we have a pretty good set of roots. I'm very happy with them. I just putter it back up in the same pot. And here it is after, all ready to go crazy again. And it didn't wait long to grow again, so I gave it a quick prune back. This is exactly why you wait until the buds are about to open when you repot. All the energy is up in the tree and you can get away with crazy root work and then still get growth like this. And here it is after. I think it's looking pretty good. I like this tree. And then a few weeks later in April, it's gone crazy again. So I'll give it another prune. I think I'm going to stay on top of this tree this year. No more crazy long growth. Here in May again, you can see some good growth, so I pruned that back again. Here we are now. Let's hope it keeps the pace up for the rest of the season. I think this tree is going to do very well this year. No pruning this month, but soon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.